Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Kaushik. You guys are watching Tech Guru Kaushik. So today my topic is how to create a storage account. So basically this is important when you guys are creating any kind of container inside of storage. So on that time, so it's have to be created. So before that you have to create any resource group. So I have created a recent resource group that is on demo. So without this is not possible. So each and every work it should be a monitor under the resource group. So guys, so let's start the video for how to create a storage account in Microsoft Azure cloud. So before that, you can see after login this screen, so you can see this option from here, storage account. Also from here also you can search a storage account. So after click here, you can see this is the fully blank. So here is the nothing, no storage account is here right now available. So I have to create this one. So this is I have to create this. Click on create option. So here you can see, or also from here also there is a process is going on. So here is the subscription, you have another subscription, you can drop down from here. Resource group is demo, it's a automatic whatever I click storage account name, it should be also Kaushik. Okay, so apostrophe is Kaushik. Lowercase, its field contain only lowercase letter. Okay, so it should be small letter. Okay, already taken. So I'll giving some demo storage. Okay, demo storage. Okay, it's already taken. So I have given Kolkata. Okay, also it is taken. So I'm giving tech storage. Okay, stick storage Kaushik. Let's see, this is the stick storage Kaushik. So this is taken successfully. Region you can change or you can leave it as it is condition, and then it should be always the standard. Okay, and you can say if you have the premium subscription, then you can go for the premium. Geo redundant. So here is the basically the redundancy means if you want a replication. So this replication GRS, LRS, okay, ZRS. So basically whatever the your suitable for your industry and based on your requirement, so you can do it. You can select it. Okay, so I am giving it as a geo or ZSR zone redundant. Also I can select here, and then is a next option, advanced option. Here you can see security. REST API operation is a check. Enable infrastructure encryption, you can check it, or uncheck also. Enable block public access, it's a publicly access here. Enable storage account key access, default to Azure Active Directory authorizations with Azure portal, and the premium security versions. Data lake storage generation 2, it is automatically selected. Blob storage. Okay, so basically whichever you have required, so basically you can select it as per your own requirement. Also across the tenant application, so auto is all automatically. Tire access is a hot tire. Okay, cool tire also you can select. As your file share, if I select this one, enable file share also will be created. Tables and queues, if you want a table and queue storage, that is also possible to create. Next option is the publicly endpoint. So here if I allow to all network, so always I choose is a public network and public endpoint, and then public, only public endpoint. So basically it's your or how you will access. So based on your access requirement, you just choose it. And routing preference also Microsoft network routing and other things. And data protection here you can see is enable soft delete or for the blob. It's a 7 days. Okay, you can check it. Enable point time resources a container, and then enable soft delete of containers, enable soft delete of file share. So it's a by default automatically selected, or you can modify also at your own requirement. Tags, you can also make some notes for identify if you have a lots of storage. Okay, storage account, so you can tag it in particular department wise, zone wise. Okay, then is the review and create. So if I click this one, so here this option will based on the your basic requirement, it will create it. So now you can see the initialization process is created. So now this is the storage creation process. So just 1 second. So it is in progress mode. You can see it's a free trial, start time, creation ID, correct. Okay, so everything here is available. So still it is in progress. So after creating, here you can see it is status is active, accepted, and operational status also created. You can do a refresh also from here, these positions. Here is your refresh option is available. So now that's it for the storage account creation. I'll create another video for how to create a container. So inside of container, how to put some data, how to create any object on that particular, put some object in particular, and from there how to copy paste and that particular object link. So I'll come with the next video. Thank you guys. Tata, bye bye for now.